If you see F00 error while using Shopee, don't worry. This usually happens because of network issues, app glitches, or server errors. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. A stable connection is required for Shopee transactions. Next, restart the Shopee app. Close it completely from recent apps, then reopen it and log back in. This refreshes your session. Now, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Shopee, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, reinstalling the app clears the cache. After that, update Shopee to the latest version, open Play Store or App Store, and install any pending updates. Also, disable VPNs or proxies. Shopee may block connections from VPNs, which triggers error F00. Finally, restart your device and try again. In most cases, clearing cache, updating the app, and using a stable network fixes Shopee F00 error.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.